Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily create an AI-generated video from an online article. So if you found an article online and want to convert it into a video in just a couple of minutes, it's really easy to do so. The very first step that we will do is to find the article online that we want to create into a video. I've found this one, so I'll just copy the link or the URL of this article and then we can go to the next step. The second step is to go to a website called ally.io. I'll leave the link of this website in the video description so you can open it from there. When you open this website, you can easily create an account in a couple of steps and log in. When you log into Ally, the dashboard is gonna look something like this. And what we want to do in order to generate our video is to click on this button from URL and then this window will pop up where we have to paste our article link that we had just copied. Now click on this Select Template button and we will get to this page where we can select a template that we want to use for our video. Ally has a lot of cool templates in here, and you can choose any template you want. When we select a template, we'll get a little preview on how the template looks like. And if you are happy with the template, just tap on the Create Video button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now we will have to wait a couple of seconds until the AI generates our video. You can see the storyboard and delete or add some parts if you want to, but I'm happy with this, so the next step is to click on the Convert to Slides button in the top right corner of the screen. If you get this little error where the content is missing, you can fix it with GPT. And here is our AI-generated video where we can render it or customize it to our liking. If you need to, you can change the text or upload your own voice. You can change the avatar, background, text, font, add animations and many more things that you can do with other video editors. The video slides will be on the left side of our screen, and you have the photos, videos, text and other tools on the right side. So you can play around with them if you want to, customize your video, and when you are happy with your changes, simply export the video and save it to your computer. So that's how you can create a video using AI from any article on the internet. It's pretty cool and it will only take you a couple of minutes. If you want more AI tutorials like this one on the channel, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.